Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the upper right. Choose Help, then About Chrome to display the current version number. About Chrome will immediately check for updates when your device is online and connected. The update process downloads patches automatically if a newer version exists. Watch the progress bar and wait until downloading reaches completion before relaunching. If Chrome lists version 120 or a newer number, you already have the latest release installed. On Windows, open the menu, navigate to Help, then About Chrome to trigger updates. Mac users follow the same About Chrome path or download the official DMG installer from Google, com/Chrome. Linux users update with apt update and apt upgrade, yum, or download the Debian or RPM package manually. Wait for the download to finish and click Relaunch to apply the update. Close unneeded tabs and save your work before restarting the browser to prevent data loss. If the update stalls, quit Chrome and relaunch it as administrator on Windows. Check firewall and proxy settings to ensure update servers are reachable on port 443. Clear cache and disable extensions temporarily if downloads fail repeatedly. Visit Chrome//version in the address bar to verify the installed build and update timestamp. For managed devices, check for enterprise policies that block updates and contact your IT administrator. Reboot the computer if problems persist and attempt the update again afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.